Hello and welcome. My name is Frank Calabro Jr. We're going to talk about the 7 cents funnel that breaks the online income model. What you're about to see might seem unbelievable, but this is 100% legit. How would you like to tap into 5 revenue streams that collect cash payments for you 24/7, all from just one website? Get this, you can even activate your first revenue stream for only $1. Anyone, including you, can test out this money generating system for $1 and allow it to collect commissions for a full 14 days on complete autopilot. That's 2 full weeks for $1, and if you're not happy, simply cancel the membership and turn off your revenue producing machine. Just imagine starting a cash producing autopilot business that is done for you at a meager 7 cents per day. If you end up loving it like we do, then let it ride for only $1.79 per day. Yes, you can actually activate your own cash producing asset for less than the price of one item that you can buy at your local dollar store. And of course, we all know the dollar store is not $1 anymore. It's $1.25 or more, depending upon where you live. Hello, my name is Frank Calabro Jr., and I'm the top producer in the world in what you're about to see, and I started dead last. Frankie, how much could I possibly make from a low-ticket $1 deal? That's a fair question to ask. The product is this funnel system that pays you a $20 commission per month for each referral. In addition, you also get paid a 50% match bonus from every referral that is hard-coded to you for life. I actually had to be talked into doing this by my mentor, and I foolishly thought it was the wrong thing to do. Here I was, standing in my kitchen, living in the slums, when my multi-millionaire mentor called me and told me about the opportunity that you're about to see. I told him it was the wrong thing to do. I'm making $1,000 per month in total income. This is my full-time job, affiliate marketing, and I'm failing, and I'm arguing with a multi-millionaire telling him it's the wrong thing for me to do. But I caved in and did it his way. My first year right here, this was my starting point. $26,000 per year in total income from affiliate marketing. I was failing. I needed to make $52,000 per year to break even in life. I was making about half of what I needed. If you make half of what you need, you run out of money. And that's exactly what happened to me. But I caved in. I listened to my mentor. I did it his way. And guess what happened a year later? $96,000. I nearly broke 6 figures. The following year, $578,000. I catapulted myself into the top 1% in the world income bracket, and by year 8, I was retired forever. How awesome is that? I went from living in the slums to living in custom-built, solar-powered homes. I went from the last $500 to my name to having multiple bank accounts flushed with cash. I had multiple cryptocurrency accounts filled to the brim. I've got the Rolex watches. I've got all the luxury stuff you could possibly ever want. Custom-built vehicles, you name it, I got it. But what I really wanted was freedom. Freedom was all that I really wanted. To date, I have made over $528,000 from this one revenue stream alone that anybody can start today for $1. I had no clue that a low-ticket trial offer could produce $500,000 in cash revenue, but that is exactly what happened. The company does all the heavy lifting for you. Customer support, that's done for you. Weekly live training webinars, done for you. Live calls with Q&A by the CEO, Neil Guess, that's done for you. You got the CEO doing a call to help you close your sales. This is awesome, guys. And he takes questions. Billing and collecting your commissions done for you. There's no need for you to set up merchant processing. This is done for you. High quality in-demand products also done for you. There's no need for you to go out and create your own product. This opportunity is 100% turnkey and ready for you to start making money now. The company has a proven track record of success and has been in business for over a decade. You can even choose to pay yourself daily. Imagine that. Instant cash commissions can be sent to your own prepaid Visa card, or you can send your money to your bank account. You decide. Take a look at a couple of weekly paychecks. These are weekly paychecks. This is just from one revenue stream that anybody can start today for $1. We call this gold, okay? You get a $20 bill plus a 50% match bonus. You can see in this particular week, we made $1,180 made in a week. Here's another week as an example. $1,650 made in this week. Here's another week, $2,330, $1,970, $2,190. Pretty incredible, huh? From a $20 low ticket deal. Here's another week, $2,370. Here's a few more. I'm not going to read all the numbers. You can see the numbers on the screen. This is amazing. This is awesome. And this is from a $1 deal that anybody can start today. This is incredible, my friends. Here's a few more. Let's just let this play out. Here's what I can tell you about this. And these are not even my biggest weeks. Not even close. I've done $5-6 grand a week from this one revenue stream alone. These $20 bills add up, and they add up fast. I know people that have worked at a job, the same job for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, and they never take home this much money in a week. This is the power of leverage. This is the power of using an automated system. The system does the work for you 24/7 while you sleep, travel, vacation, spend time with your family, go to church, engage in fitness, and even when you take a day off. You want to take a day off, don't you? Absolutely. Balance is important in life also. It's not only just work. We got to have time to play too. What a system pays us no matter what we're doing. Here's the offer. Here's the product. Power Lead System. This is a community with nearly 50,000 people, and this community is flooded with success stories. Go check it out for yourself. Look at this withdrawal right here. $9,983 was transferred to the bank account, and you can see $9,982 landed in the bank account. No matter what the amount of the transfer is, they only charge $1. That's right, $1 transaction fee, no matter what the amount is that goes in your bank account. How awesome is that, guys? That's incredible. You may have heard of this company, McDonald's, yeah? The most successful franchise in the history of the world. Now, does McDonald's have the best hamburger that you have ever had in your life? Possibly not. But you know what they do have? They have the best system to make that hamburger. And that is exactly why they dominate their market. Guess what we did? We cracked the code on ShareFunnels. We franchised affiliate marketing. This is a self-replicating funnel from A to Z. What does that mean, Frankie? What that means right now, the system that you're inside of right now, that you're viewing right now, it self-replicates from A to Z. Everything that you need for success is inside of this funnel. The funnel itself is inside this funnel. The training to set up this funnel is inside of this funnel. The traffic and all the resources to get endless traffic are inside of this funnel. Okay? So the thing is, I send you through this funnel, you send the next person through this funnel, they send the next person through this funnel, etc., etc. It keeps going on and on and on and on. We don't need to jump on a Zoom call. We don't need to jump on a Skype call and hold someone's hand to set up this funnel because the training is inside of the funnel. This is a system of duplication. The system also collects the visitor's info for you. It presents the value proposition and it introduces the cash producing assets. There are call to actions that guide people through the process. The email campaign, it instantly activates and kicks in and follows up with your prospects. This thing is awesome. I've been saying it for years. We automate, we duplicate, we dominate. It's what we do, my friends. To this day, I have no sales skills to speak of, yet my systems have put millions of dollars in commissions into my pockets. It's not because I'm making the best hamburger, guys. It's because I have the best system. That's why. If I can do it, you can do it too. The instant that you enroll for $1, I'm going to build you a clone of this system that you can have up and running in minutes, literally minutes. You get the exact same system that I use to make insane commissions on autopilot. And yes, for only 7 cents per day. Imagine that, pennies. After your 14-day trial, you can continue to dominate for only $1.79 per day. You can't even get a cup of coffee for $1.79 anymore. Walk into Starbucks and see what that cost you. The moment that your system is set up, you're qualified to earn $20 monthly residual commissions. You can collect unlimited $20 commissions for the next 2 weeks and have an operating cost of only 7 cents per day. Yes, I said that correctly. You can make unlimited $20 bills right now for the next 2 weeks. What's it going to cost you? 7 cents per day. $20 may not sound like much, but this could easily cover the cost of your system plus any paid traffic campaigns. And this is what I do, guys. Okay. My system pays for itself. It started paying for itself its first day. And I was no hotshot internet marketer back then. I was an internet loser living in the slums. And I still got 3 people my first day. Okay. What if it took your first week or even your first month? It's not going to take you that long. It's going to be lightning fast. You will see. Take a look at this. 3 signups per day could turn into what? $60, right? Per day, or $1,800 per month. 5 signups per day could turn into $100 per day, or $3,000 per month. 10 signups per day could turn into $200 per day, or $6,000 per month. Now, I'm being ultra conservative right here, okay? 5 signups per day. Do you think you could find 5 people in the whole world that have $1 that want to make money on the internet? I bet you could, okay? I've made over $20,000 a month with this one revenue stream, and I didn't even put that example on the screen. I'm being ultra conservative in my examples right here, okay? In my illustrations. This is doable. Anybody can do this, including you. Your $20 per month residual income comes in month after month, year after year. We are not even counting the 50% match bonuses that you receive from your direct referrals. I have never talked about this before, ever. This is the all-time top producers list. You can find this in the back office. My sponsor is the number 2 person in the world. My sponsor hasn't talked about this, shared their referral link, or done anything with this in probably 7 or 8 years. Do you want to know why? It's because he's the most successful internet marketer in the world that I know of. He doesn't need to do this. He sponsored Frank Calabro Jr. He took a chance on a guy that was broke as a joke, living in the slums. But Frankie was hungry. Frankie was never going to give up. Frankie was never going to quit. He just needed the right opportunity to come along to change his life forever. There is somebody like me right now that's out there. He or she right now, they're frustrated. They're not having any success online. They're not gaining any traction at all. You need to get this in front of that person right now. They will take this opportunity and they will put hundreds of thousands of dollars into your pockets because you will get a 50% match bonus. The reason that my sponsor is the #2 top producer in the world, not because he's producing, it's because he sponsored the top producer in the world. How amazing is that? I'm showing you the power of this model. Do not underestimate what you have your hands on, even though this is only a $1 deal. This is a complete turnkey, done-for-you system that is ready to go the minute that you activate for $1. We haven't even mentioned the big money yet. There are 4 additional revenue streams and instant now money cash commissions that you can make automatically using this system. Yes, there are extra instant cash now money commissions on top of the $20 bills that you can collect with no additional effort. The system does it for you. How awesome is that? This funnel system is your license to print money. Holding digital assets on a server is how wealthy marketers make money hand over fist. We've been doing this for years. This platform contains everything that you need to generate endless traffic, earn unlimited commissions, and start having success today. You're not going to find a lower starting point than $1 anywhere. Where are you going to find a price point of $1 anywhere? There's no way. It doesn't exist. Your upside potential to be earning 6 figures online is a real possibility with this model. Are you finally ready to start winning? Are you listening now, like I did, to my mentor? Then start making money now. Yes, you can activate your own cash producing asset for less than the price of one item that you can buy at your local dollar store. This is available in over 180 countries. This is a worldwide opportunity. Claim your own cash producing autopilot business that is done for you at a meager 7 cents per day. Click below to claim your own digital cash system. You can earn unlimited $20 cash commissions for the next 2 weeks, and the only skin in the game that you will have is $1. Yeah, you're going to put up $1 to make unlimited $20 bills for the next 2 weeks. This is for real, guys. Click on the activation button below and claim your cash producing asset. Test drive this cash generating system for $1 and allow it to collect commissions for you for a full 14 days on complete autopilot. Please, no VPNs. When you sign up, there is anti-fraud software running. It will not allow you to sign up if you're using a VPN. And also, do not use a VPN when you log into your back office. I just wanted to pass that tip along to you. Create your account. This is really simple, self-explanatory. It's going to take you about 2 or 3 minutes max. Once you create your account, you're going to want to save your login credentials, bookmark the login website. Also, look out for an email that contains the same information. Save and bookmark the company login website, username, and password. After you activate, click on the continue button below and take the next step in jump-starting your cash producing system. Welcome to Cash Now Funnel. See you in the next exciting video. Thank you.